Hello guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Disciple Global Media. Ensure you subscribe to this channel, please, and click on the notification bell so that you'll be getting more of our updates like this. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and drop a comment. If there be any question, I will reply you on the comment section. Thank you. Watch. Now I'm going to be teaching us how to free up spaces without deleting anything, without deleting any app. Now watch me closely as I do it. Now, like my phone now, my phone storage memory is almost full. That's almost 98%. Now for me to free up my storage space, what I need to do is to click on some apps. I don't want to delete any app. I will click on some apps. Let's say this. After clicking on it, I'll click on app info. Wait, let me do it again so that you see it properly. Just hold it down, click on it and hold it down, then click on app info. After clicking on app info, come to storage and cache. Then click on clean storage or clean cache. You clean cache. Now when you are done, you go back, go to the next one, Instagram, hold it down, then click on app info, storage cache, click on clean cache, you clean it. Then go to another one, app info, storage and cache, clean cache. The reason why I'm not going towards clean storage, because most times it will clean what you save in there, so it is better off you click on clean cache. So Facebook, hold it down, app info, storage and cache, clean cache. So just like that, with this you'll be able to create more space on your phone. Trust me, you'll be able to create more space on your phone. Clean cache. App info, clean cache. Phonies, app info, clean cache. Okay, this phonies, I can decide to clean I can decide to clean the space and clean the storage space. If I don't have anything so important there, I can decide to click on clean storage. Yeah, you can decide to click on clean storage. So just like that, guys, with this you'll be able to create more space on your phone. You create more space on your phone without deleting any app. Trust me, it works without deleting any apps. When you are done cleaning, after cleaning, I went back to check the percentage of my storage space. Now it's now 95%. Initially, when I started, it was 98%. Now it has reduced by 3%, meaning more space have been created. And when you check here from initially, when you check here, you discover that it was 1 point something GB available. Now it is 2.67 is now available. So it's really helpful. So don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Have a nice day and watch out for more of our videos. Bye.